Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and gaining access. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to protect electronics, then remove dash trim and the factory radio. Make sure you have the correct wiring harness adapter and a multimeter at hand. These save time and prevent guesswork. Once the radio is loose, locate the factory camera plug and rear harness. Label connectors with tape so reassembly is painless. Make sure power and ground are identified. This is the foundation for a clean, reliable connection to your aftermarket unit. Now you wire the camera into the aftermarket radio. First, connect the camera RCA video lead to the radio's dedicated camera input. Avoid using auxiliary video ports. Next, tie the camera's trigger to the radio's reverse trigger wire so the screen switches automatically when you shift. Test with a voltmeter to confirm it reads plus 12V only in reverse. Ensure a solid ground connection to the vehicle chassis to prevent flicker. Once soldered or crimped, protect splices with heat shrink and tidy cables with zip ties. Finish by reinstalling the radio and reconnecting the battery. Power the unit and put the vehicle in reverse to confirm the camera feed appears automatically. If your aftermarket radio has camera settings, adjust brightness, guidelines, and angle compensation now. Make sure the image is stable while the engine runs and when steering. If you see no image, static, or intermittent dropouts, check the reverse trigger wiring, RCA continuity, and ground first. A poor ground or loose RCA is the most common culprit and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.